It's exciting to be back in the kitchen, so I'm going to show you how I made this delicious chicken right in front of me. I mean delicious, but very easy to make. So let me cut it and show you how moist it is. So you see, that's how easy it is. It's nice and moist, it's not dry. Nice, right? Cut it. Now let's watch how I made this. Right? Right. My advice to you is don't forget to subscribe after you watch the whole video, because I have more and more coming. You wanna learn cooking? You wanna learn something different? Let's have fun together. Let's dance. Let's dance. Let's eat. Let's dance. Continue right along. So already I had put some of the rosemary in here. So I'm going to put all this in here. The green onion and the garlic. And now we're going to put a little bit of olive oil. So about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then we're gonna put my favorite. It's very good to marinate this with mustard. Is very nice on if you're going to grill the chicken in the oven. Like I'm gonna bake it or grill it, whatever you call it. But this is about 2 tablespoons of mustard. Mustard is very nice, like marinated in there. So for spices, I'm going to have garlic salt, black pepper, ooh, okay, a little bit of oregano, and cayenne pepper. If you love spicy like me, cayenne pepper, allspice, paprika, here we come. 1 tablespoon of that too. Black pepper. And we're ready to stir this stuff up. Ready to stir it up. No, I'm gonna now marinate it and put it in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. Ready to put the chicken in the oven. I have like some allergies, so my eyes are so itchy, so I don't know if they look a little bit swollen, so I don't like this, but I'll take it off in a minute. So anyway, I'm going to, so you take the pan and I'm just gonna smear a little bit of butter at the bottom. And the chicken, back in the kitchen. So now here we go. Gonna put this beauty in the oven, right? Then you take whatever is in there, put it all on top, because I'm gonna cover it with aluminum foil, right? Yeah. To stay moist, I'm gonna cover it with aluminum foil for about 45 minutes. And then I'm gonna uncover it for the other 45 minutes or an hour to brown it. So the oven is at 400 right now, so ready to put in the oven. Okay, I just took it out of the oven. I'm gonna take the aluminum off. And you can see some good juices sitting there. So I'm gonna baste it. Baste it with what's in here. Baste it with its own juices. I always check, like, kind of cut a little bit with the spoon to see the inside, to see if there's no more red, because I don't like seeing some red stuff in there. You know what I'm talking about, right? Yeah. You see? So So I left it for an hour with aluminum foil. That way it can be nice and juicy. Baste it and put it back in the oven for 45 minutes. Or until it's nice and brown, nice and golden brown. So also, you can see how you can do other things while you have this in the oven, right? Yeah. So that's that, and I'm gonna put it back in the oven.